Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can compress a PDF file, reduce the file size up to 80%, and at the same time retain the quality of the images and text contained in the file. To get started, we're going to open up Google Chrome and head over to ilovepdf.com. Once we arrive on the website, click on the Compress PDF button. Now click on the Select PDF File button and select your PDF file. My PDF file is located on my desktop, so I'm going to select that. Now select your compression level from the compression level settings screen. I recommend selecting the recommended compression option as it retains the PDF file's quality while reducing the file size. Now click on the Compress PDF button. Your PDF file will now be compressed. As you can see, the file went from 1.31 megabytes to 241 kilobytes, which is a massive difference. If we click on the Download Compressed PDF button and open up the file, you can see that the file still contains high-quality images and text. And it's as easy as that. Compressing a PDF file while retaining its quality is a simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.